Starting round 9, you're going to do 3 back loop only stitches. 1, 2, 3. Going to mark those front loops, 1, 2, and 3. I like to use scrap yarn. 1, 2, and 3. Now we will complete that round with 3 more single crochet through both loops. 1, 2, 3. Round 10 is just going to be 6 single crochet around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Round 11, we're going to repeat round 9, so 3 in the back loop. You see your 2 loops. This is the back and this is the front. We're going to go into the back loop. 1, 2, 3. Again, mark those front loops. 1, 2, 3. Finish it off with 3 single crochet through both loops. 1, 2, 3. 12, we're going to join our front loops. So we're going to loosen the yarn, come down here to our first front loop, go up into this next front loop, pull the yarn tight, create a normal single crochet through both of those loops. There's 1. I'm going to pull this out. Now go into the second loop. And now into our second front loop of the top. Pull this yarn out. Create a normal single crochet. Oops. And then our third one. So there's those loops. Pull that yarn out. And here's the third one up here. Create another single crochet. Now we are going to avoid these 3 loops. So 1, 2, and 3, we're going to join into this 4th stitch. For 1, 2, and 3. That's completed round 12. 13, we are going to just go around the edge and avoid the center for 6 single crochet. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you have 6 single crochet around, so you will complete that for rounds 14 through 17.